Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint. So to start off, we will need to navigate into the settings. Mine is on the second page, as you can see right here, but you can also find it in the notification panel. So when you pull it down, you will see the gear icon right here. Let's just tap on it. And from here, you want to scroll down to fingerprint and password. Just tap on it. And here, tap on fingerprint, then tap on add fingerprint. And before you can actually add one, you need to have some kind of other alternative ways of unlocking the device. So by default, it chooses pattern, but you can also tap on other unlocking methods and select a different one. So complex password or simple password, which I assume simple password is just a 4-digit number. So I'm just gonna stick with the pattern, and I'm gonna draw the pattern, continue, and then we draw the same pattern once more and confirm. And now I get to enroll the fingerprint. So let me actually lift up the device, it's gonna be easier. So now I need to scan the fingerprint. Okay, and as you can see, now the fingerprint has been added. You can rename the fingerprint so you actually don't get them confused later on. So say I'm gonna name this. Cool. And now as you can see, there's a fingerprint. You can add another one or re-enroll the same fingerprint or same finger for a more accurate unlocking method. But now, when you lock the device, you will either need to put in the pattern that we have set, or just place your finger on the sensor right here, and it will automatically unlock, as you've just seen. So once more, it's locked, and it automatically unlocks. So that's basically how you would set up a fingerprint ID. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.